What's up guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be going over the topic of how to install Crab Game on your Chromebook. It's kind of like a ripoff of Squid Game made by Danny. It makes a ton of like dumb games and stuff, but it's really popular right now and a lot of people have been requesting it, and it's a pretty cool game, so I decided to show you how to install it on your Chromebook. So yeah guys, before we start today's tutorial, make sure to go follow my Twitter, linked in the description below. As always, I'll post random stuff, updates. Anyways, you might also want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We've reached our goal of 30,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Our next goal is probably 40,000 subscribers, so let's see if we can hit that. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time. Let's just get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, you will need to go to all these links, which will be linked in the description below as always. So once you have all of these open, you first want to go to the Crab Game Danny website, and you want to click on the Crab Game Linux download right here. Just click this little pink download button. Now wait for it to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, you want to click Show in Folder, then right click on the file, click Copy, go to your Linux files, select that, then wait for this to load, then right click and click Paste. Now wait for it to finish copying. Once it's done copying, go ahead and close your Linux files, close out of this, go back to the Google Doc, and before we do all these commands, go to all of these experiments thing, and you want to turn on this, enable it, turn on this one to enables hyperthreading, and this one to enable, then restart your computer. Okay guys, so I've restarted my computer. Basically what all those things do is improve your performance and reduce like all sorts of glitches with your mouse in the game to give you the best performance. So after that, make sure to go to the Google Doc website, then hit your menu key, go to the search bar, type terminal, then hit enter. One thing I forgot to mention is that you will need to have Linux mode enabled on your Chromebook. I will have a video linked in the description below, so go ahead and do that and then get back to the video. Then go to the first command. You want to highlight it, right click, click copy, go back to the terminal, right click, then you just want to hit a simple enter. Once it's done unzipping the file, do the number 2 command. Just again, highlight it, right click, click copy, go back to the terminal, right click, then hit enter. Do the number 3 command. Highlight it, right click, click copy, go back to the terminal, right click, then hit enter. Now we know that Crab Game works on our Chromebook. Just hit the menu key, right click the game right here, and click close. And now what we want to do is make a desktop icon for it. So let's highlight the 4th command, highlight it, right click, click copy, go back to the terminal, right click, then hit enter. Type Y on your keyboard, then hit enter. Now wait for it to finish installing. Now you can do the number 5 command. You can highlight it and paste it, or just type menu libre into the terminal, then hit enter. After that, select games here, click the plus icon, then click add launcher. Then name this launcher Crab Game, hit the check. Now go to the command right here and click the file logo next to it. Then click on home, then choose Crab Game Linux x86 under 64 with this little blue icon on it, little purple thing, then click OK. Now click the save launcher button right here. After that, close menu libre, then do the number 6 command. We're going to be installing Steam to make sure it works properly. Right click, click copy, go back to the terminal, right click, then hit enter. Do the number 7 command, highlight it again, right click, click copy, go back to the terminal, right click, then hit enter. Then do the number 8, you know the deal, right click, copy, terminal, right click and enter. Then do the number 9, highlight it, right click, click copy, go back to the terminal, right click, then hit enter. Select this right here and click enter. Now after that, just hit the menu thing here, go up and scroll down to the very bottom right here. Open your Linux apps, and you have Steam here because that is needed for Crab Game. So just go ahead and click on Crab Game to launch it and play. Now the resolution is a bit bugged out on my screen right now, but I promise that won't happen for you because I have an external monitor connected to my actual Chromebook, so it's only showing the resolution for my actual Chromebook. My actual Chromebook screen is this small, but my monitor is this big, so it's a bit glitched out. But since since you guys will just be using your Chromebook screen, this should be completely fine, and you can go to the server list and load up a new crab game. But yeah, guys, this is basically how you install crab game on your Chromebook, and enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below I subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.